शारदा मंदिर हायस्कुला कडेन आशिल्लो हो फुटब्रिज पळयात। हो ब्रिज 2012 सालान भुरग्यांक तशेंच पालकांक बरी सोय मेळची आनी येरादारी गजमड्डी जावची न्हय म्हूण बांदिल्लो, मात ताचो आयज मेरेन कांयच उपेग जालो ना। तो मातसो चड उंचायेर आशिल्ल्या कारणान भुरग्यांक जड बॅगा घेवन ताचेर चलप परवडलें ना आनी पालकांक खंय स्कुला कडेन वचपाक लॉंग कट पडटालो, देखून खंय पालकूय ताचो वापर करिनाशिल्ले। आतां तर ताचे दिवे एक एक करून पडपाक लागला। हो फुटब्रिज आमच्या भुरग्यांक धरून तांच्या पालकांकूय धोकादायक जाल्लो आसा, देखून आमी सीसीपी हो पूल ताबडतोब डिसमेंटल करचो म्हूण पत्र बरयला, अशें शारदा मंदिर स्कुलाची सेक्युरिटी मॅनेजर रिटा एस्ट्रोसियो हिणें सांगले।
Then since I'm seeing this bridge and it is not used by our students at all. It is not used because it is very steep, it is very dangerous and it cannot be used along with the bags and everything. They cannot climb and ascend at the same time. So it is not used. But when you go to see, after the years, there is so much corrosion on the bridge and there are ample plates on the footbridge which are missing. So even if a person passes, he can just pass through that hole and fall on the road. It is not even on the footpath. He can fall on the road, and if God forbid, if a car passes by, he can just be under the wheels. It so had happened that there were lamps also which were hanging from the bridge around last year. One lamp fell during the night, as per my securities, and after another few days, another lamp fell in the daytime, during the daytime at around 11:15 when one of our parent was crossing the road and it just missed the parent, it just missed it. So they immediately informed us. And we got those, we consulted electricity, we consulted the mayor also, and they removed it. They sent the vehicle and 7 lamps were removed. 4 on one side and 3 on the other side. All 4 lamps were removed. However, now, after the mishap that has happened in Mumbai, it is very, very dangerous, because if such a thing happens here, it is going to be a loss for innocent lives. And we, as we are close by to the seaside, it is very much corroded. And if at all there is a cyclone or a tsunami or anything, will be affected. This bridge will be the first thing to be affected, and we might lose innocent lives. That is the reason we have written a letter to the CCP, the mayor, the commissioner, and we are just waiting for them to do something about this before any mishap happens.
हो फुटब्रिज धोकादायक आसा काय ना हाचो तपासणी करून रिपोर्ट दिवचो म्हूण आमी वर्स जाले जीईसीक पत्र केला, मात जीईसी काना मनार घेना। जो मेरेन जीईसी स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेबिलिटी रिपोर्ट दिना तो मेरेन आमी हो फुटब्रिज डिसमेंटल करूंक शकना म्हूण सीसीपीचो कमिशनर क्लेन मादेराव उलयलो।
आमी ताका केन्ना ऑगस्टान लेटर काडलेली, एक जीईसी लेटर बरयल्ली की ताची स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेबिलिटी मातशें टेस्ट करची म्हणून, पण कांय रिस्पॉन्स येवंक ना आमकां। मागीर आमी परत एक रिमांयडर धाडलो आसा, पूण म्हाका जी म्हायती आहा अजून कांय रिप्लाय येवंक ना जीईसी कडसून। सो आय हॅव इन्स्ट्रक्टेड द इंजिनियर तांचे कडेन फॉलो अप करचो म्हणून एक सेकंड रिमांयडर धाडून दिता हांव तांकां। इफ आय हॅव टू डिमॉलिश समथींग देन आय हॅव टू टेक अ रिपोर्ट that the structure is unsafe. So that is the competent body, Goa Engineering College. So we have requested them. We'll follow up with them.
फाटल्या म्हयन्याक आमी ह्या ब्रिजाचेर व्हिडिओ केल्लो आनी तो कितलो डेंजरस आसा हें आमी दाखयल्लें। आयज परिस्थिती कांयच चेंज जावना आनी कांयच कोणाकूच फरक पडना अशें दिसता। फायनली शारदा मंदिर स्कूल जे हांगा लागीं आसा तांणी सीसीपीक आतां पत्र बरयलां पयर की जाता तितलो बेगीन हो ब्रिज काडून उडोवचो हांचो, कारण तो डेंजर आसा लोकां खातीर। आनी फाल्यां हो ब्रिज सामको ऑलमोस्ट ऑन द बिचार आसा। सायक्लोन आयलो, कितें तर जालें, वादळ आयलें जाल्यार हो सगळ्यांत पयलीं हो ब्रिज पडपाक शकता।